So my work really, and the work that I teach, is all about really getting into your core and finding out who you are and what qualities you want to bring into your life. And then, just in really building these, whether it's in fiber, whether it's in objects, The pieces originally that I built were not only adornment, but really brought me a lot of joy to look at. I'm actually trying to build work as an expression. I want to teach you how to go deep into your own understanding of who you are. When someone comes into my space who is a doctor or, whatever your profession that you chose, you take what you did and you pull this all together. You're a caretaker. Maybe you've traveled. You think deeply about other people. Maybe let's see what you're drawn to, what shapes, what colors, Observe really your world around you, which is exactly what I'm saying now. Observe what you have in your garage, what you have in your junk drawers, what you have in your studio, yes, but also, the type of clothing that you wear. This is a whole philosophy. You will be able to find your own voice, put your own authentic work forward, and have success in your life.